Imagine moving through the world without arms, legs, or even feet. How does a creature as simple as an earthworm travel through soil? The answer lies in a fascinating system of muscles and ingenuity, a hidden dance beneath our feet. Earthworms propel themselves by harnessing two main muscle groups: the circular muscles that wrap around their body and the longitudinal muscles that run lengthwise. When the circular muscles contract, the worm's body stretches and becomes thinner. Then, when the longitudinal muscles contract, the worm shortens and thickens. By alternating these movements, the earthworm creates rhythmic waves along its body, inching forward in the soil. Tiny, bristle-like structures called setae, located along each segment, anchor parts of the worm as it moves. These bristles grip the earth, allowing segments to stay in place while others extend or contract. It's a coordinated effort, a push and pull that lets the worm tunnel deeper, aerating the soil as it goes. This elegant method of locomotion does more than move the worm. As earthworms work their way through the earth, they mix soil layers, break down organic matter, and support plant growth. Their slow, persistent journey underpins entire ecosystems, shaping the health of our environment. Next time you notice a patch of rich soil, remember the silent travelers beneath it. With each movement, earthworms quietly create the foundation of life, a reminder of nature's intricate design and the importance of even the smallest creatures.